but where is the way in พี่คะเดินเข้าตรงไหนอะพี่
เข้าได้เลย
อ๋อ
นี่ก็ได้นี่ก็เดินไกล
okay I'm just going here never mind we don't need to walk over there just what is you guys shit this is cool look at that awesome awesome Okay. Okay.
อยู่หน้าบูธเรานะคะวันนี้ค่ะช่วง 6 โมงเย็นนะคะเรามีเซ็กซี่คาร์วอชนะคะจากสาวๆ RPG แน่นอนนะคะ
Sexy Car Wash
วันนี้ค่ะก็มีกิจกรรมมาให้ทุกท่านได้ทำกันเยอะมากเลยนะคะด้านซ้ายมือของดิฉันเป็นสนาม
Chad, I think I can do also sexy car wash, guys. Look at this Lotus. Hi, Hammer. What's up? Maria, hello. Jimmy, hello. Look at this. So cool. Really cool. Kind of cool. Look at this. I love this. Look at this fucking van over here. Nice.
ปัญญาครับเงินล้วนๆครับเราเงินโปรยเล่นนะเป็นควันโยนออกมาตรงนี้โอ้โหดีทั้งคู่โอ้โหโอ้โหแต่เนี่ยหนีสุดชีวิตครับตอนนี้
Chad, do you think I can be a pretty car? You guys? Do you think I can be like the girl with the pretty dress and like standing in front of the car? What do we call? What do we call that? What is the English word called? Nice. Wow. What is this? Holy! Oh, the car looks so fast. And then this is my car. This is my car. That one. I want that cars. I want that cars. Jeez. Can we touch it? We cannot touch it, right? This is like a neon green Lambo. Neon green Lambo. Shiny. Very shiny. Super shiny. Lamborghini. I want to see Lambo drip. Hello. Thank you for inviting. This is so cool.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
It'll get way busier later.
Oh, later.
Yeah, you know Thai people don't like the sun.
You know this guy?
Hello, chat. Hello, chat.
Yeah. He's inviting me here, so that's cool. Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah.
Have you been over there yet?
Yeah, I was walking around,
With
but
the
it's like
drifting?
roughly. I didn't go like into that, just roughly like
Back over there's drifting.
Ah.
You should go over there and talk to some of the drivers and see if you can ride with one of them.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
I was like, can I go inside? But is it safe?
Yeah. No.
Yes and no.
Yeah.
Right.
It depends on if they're having the competition. If they're having the competition where they're battling, then you cannot ride.
Oh.
But if they're doing practice, they'll let you ride.
Oh, practice.
Yeah. Just
I
make
would
sure
like
to
to
try
try.
to get in a drift car that actually has seatbelts.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some coffee first. I just arrived here. So.
Okay. Make sure to go look at my car.
Yeah, are you guys? Are you a friend with Hank Garage?
Yeah, that's my friend. Yeah.
Wow! No! Chad Mustang! Oh my God! I love Mustang! This is the first Fast and Furious. This is fucking Fast and Furious. Hold on. Don't go. Oh! Shit. Damn. Can I go? Damn. Yeah. Oh my. Sexy. Jesus, this is sexy. Yes, Mustang. That is my car. Jesus Christ. That is my car, Chad. That's fucking Mustang is my car. Okay, this is nice. Jesus. But I want to take with the blue one because the blue one is like Fast and Furious. I love Mustang. It's a Mr. Bean cars. This is a Mr. Bean cars. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's a Japan. Oh, that is so cute, Jet. Nice. Yo. Is it Paris or something? Nice. Okay, there you go. Model's there. Are you a model? Yeah, she's a model. You like the cars? Do you like the cars? So sweet, smiley face. Holy shit! Holy hell! Whoa! Jeez! Glam. Oh, this is nice too. What car is this? Porsche. Is it Porsche? No, Porsche, it's a C. So cute. She's so cute. Yeah. Definitely. This is Nissan too? Is it Nissan too? Is it? She smiled to you, Chad. Can you say hi? Oh my. Oh Jesus. Sorry guys. Oh Jesus Christ. I want to be a photographer. Oh Jesus Christ. Where's Jason? go. Yeah.
RPG นั่นเองค่ะ
Okay, guys, we here. Enjoy. Car wash, taxi car wash.
คนแรกเลยละกัน ขอเชิญน้องมิกกี้ค่ะ
มิกกี้ครับผม
มีตั้งแต่ฟอร์เช่ฟอร์รารี่ลัมโบกินี
ผมบอกแล้วนะให้จับจองนะ ที่มันจะเต็มนะ
จะบอกว่า
เป็นไง
เอ็มแบบคืบหนึ่งอ่ะ
เป็นไง เป็นไง
ต่างมาก
เฮ้ยวันนี้ถือว่าแต่กล้องเรียบร้อยมากแต่ว่าพื้นที่มันเยอะ
ไม่มีใครมาช่วยเขียนข้างหลังเลยนะจ๊ะ
Oh
หมายถึ
my.
งข้างหลังรถไม่ใช่ข้างหลังหนู
โอ้โหเป็นพระคุณมากให้ได้ดู
Oh Jesus Christ.
มิลาโชว์สเต็ปเลยครับผม
โอ้ผ้ามันพลิ้ว
เฮ้
อะ
ยโอ้โห โอ้โห ไปดิ
Oh.
เอาชุด
ไป
อะ
ไปไป
เดี๋ยวก่อนชุดนี่เก็บไว้ให้พี่ปืนด้วย
เก็บจุดไว้เลยนะ
Wait. Shad.
เอวมา
แต่คุณวันนี้ตอนนี้เซ็กซี่แล้วนะแต่หน้าบูธเราตอน3 ทุ่มเซ็กซี่กว่านี้
Oh my goodness.
ตื่นเต้นตื่นเต้นตื่นเต้น
เอาเจอกันเลยนะครับสำหรับน้อง
Walking to your center.
ได้จู
ไปน้องไปเว้ยโอ้ว่ะ
It's raining. What the fuck? Ah! It's raining. Is that a firework? What? Cool. We have firework too. Nice. The body is very beautiful. It's okay. Just enjoy the stream. It's fine. I'm just joking. Alright, firework. Yeah. Look at the body. It's so beautiful. Slam it. Oh. Look at this shit. The body is beautiful. The pink one. Nice. Beautiful. Look at all this butt. It's so nice. I want this car. I think, Chad, do you think it's gonna suit me? More car wash over here. Yeah, they're gonna do another car wash over here. that? Kiddo? Drip, 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 drip. Can you drip, 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 drip? Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. You see that? We can see this one first. The real car is probably hot right now.
สแกนเข้าไปแล้วก็แค่นั้นเลย
แต่ไม่วันนี้ไม่ต้องลุ้นอะไรแล้วก็คือได้พวงกุญแจไปเลยแค่สแกน
โอเค เราหาเกมให้ผู้ชมมาเล่นกันดีกว่า
ได้เลยค่ะ วันนี้เราขอตัวแทนสัก4 คน
In. Yeah. Poof, 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 poof. This is Twitch chat. This is streamer. Right? Midnight blue. This is so cool. Ah. This is like it. I like this one. He's gonna be winner. Lightweight. You wanna see the drip? Yeah, he's dripping. Yeah. You wanna see the drip? Yeah. There you go, the drip. Red. Okay, chat. Blue or white? So slow. He fucking slow. Oh, this is so cute. This is red, chat. Egg or green? Egg or green?
Stop, stop.
The green look nice. The green one? Of course. No, no, the truck was lost. I don't win. What the hell? What are you? What happened? What happened? Papa, what did you do? พี่ค้าไปด้วยได้ไหมไปด้วยได้ไหม Thank you Oh shit Oh shit
ช่องไหนครับ
นะคะ อยู่ในทวิต Oh my god Oh shit god Oh my god chat สวัสดีค่ะ Hello Okay shit Do we have to ride a seat belt Oh fuck Shit Holy shit off We're here ค่ะอ๋อได้ค่ะได้ Yes Yes Holy shit Oh Wow Wow Holy shit We win by the way guys We win Toyota high-end you guys was cool. Super fast. Did you see this? Yeah, we're gonna win. Diesel. So, what? Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Woo. Jeez, that was fast. Awesome. That's fucking awesome. Oh man. I was like, yeah, you're gonna win, you're gonna win. And he was like pushing a boo.
Did he win?
Yeah.
God.
He win.
God.
Oh my god. I wanna go on Mustang. If they let us go on Mustang, I wanna go on this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Shopping cart! It's a shopping cart! It's a fucking big shopping cart! Shit! Wait, what? It's a shopping cart! พี่คะ พี่ขี่ไปไหนอ่ะ ออกแล้วเหรอ เอาขี่วนรอบนึงได้ไหมอ่ะ เอาแบบเนี้ยแค่เนี้ยได้ไหมแบบนี้ได้ไหมแบบนี้ได้ไหมแค่นี้ได้ไหมย้า
เหยียบยางนี้แล้วที่เหยียบนี้แล้วตีขึ้นมา
I get a shopping cart. We're shopping right now. Come on.
My friend Will, he's from Vietnam.
Oh, your friend.
Yeah, he's a drifter.
Oh, this
My friend is him. Yeah.
Hi. This from Vietnam. This from Vietnam. Let's go. Woo! Shopping cart. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. We are on a shopping cart.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hello. 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 Hi. There. Yee. So cool. Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ
How are you?
Thank you. Bye bye. That is so fucking funny. That is really, really funny car I ever seen. He does so fucking look like a. It really does look like shopping carts.